please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. What does borate do? Borate is used in conjunction with your traditional sanitizer. It helps keep pH within the target range, it prevents stain, scale, and corrosion, prevents algae growth, and reduces chlorine consumption and contributes to crystal clear water. It's safe and naturally occurring in nature, it's only added once a year, and it's not susceptible to UV like other sanitizers. Borate is ideally kept at 30 to 50 parts per million. How much to add is based upon the size of the pool, and to add it, with the pump on, pour it through the skimmer, and let mix. After 24 hours, test the water for accurate levels of borate, pH, and alkalinity. Here at EasyTest, we sell the Endure Water Conditioner by Ultima. It's available in 10-pound buckets, and you use 2 pounds of the product for every 1,000 gallons of pool water. It's compatible with all systems such as bromine, Vacuosil, and chlorine, and it creates crystal clear water, making it feel softer and improving filtration.